Backtesting day 369. YNs. I am just fucking locked right now. Just got back from the gym. Looking pretty jacked, personally. Gotta become profitable. I'm on this fucking horrible losing streak right now. Horrible. It's been like 7 fucking trades in a row. I'm locked. I'm not gonna take any stupid trades today. And I'm fucking only A+ steps. Where's my notes? Notes. Alright. Let me expand this shit a little bit. Okay. Yes, sir. Bullish trend. We're continuing higher. Do we have any higher time frame draws? Not really, so I'm not really looking to trade necessarily. We do have this high and this high that we're trending towards. It's not a strong draw. We're obviously bullish. Off rip, we never got 5-minute manipulation, but we can still get some sort of pullback. So we got the inversion here, but obviously I'm not going to take it because this trend is way too overextended. We never got a 5-minute manipulation. A little pullback is not enough for me to say 100% we're going higher. For example, we would have gotten stopped right there. Way too far away from the highs on ES. It's kind of a chop work market now. Broke 5-minute structure to the downside. We made a 5-minute SMT off this, so I'm gonna wait for a break back to the upside, which I don't know if we'll get. It's now 11:15. I'm not gonna trade today. No news Monday. Tomorrow we have 10 a.m. news. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm so fresh right now. Your life is like a. Yo, hold on. Okay. I think I'm gonna backtest 2 weeks today, fully locked in, and then I might do another 2 weeks off camera later. Just cause like I found that like these longer form, like hour-long backtesting sessions, they just don't get as many views. And I'm not necessarily doing this to, like, obviously I want to fucking grow my channel, but like these little sessions are unedited. I don't really expect anyone to fucking watch it. I'm bullish here. Higher time frames bullish. I just swept out key lows. We have an unmitigated 4-hour. We can trade up to aligns with an hourly high. I mean, ideally London session highs, but I think they're gonna get hit. So like this looks decent. I just want to see ES change order flow. So this was 10 a.m. news, I think. Yeah. We slipped out. This is gonna be just wait for 1-minute confirmation on both indexes. Unless we want to continue lower for some reason. We do have a bearish SMT that I didn't really notice, but we then completed it by taking this low out. I mean, changing 5-minute structure right here really ruined the fucking bias. I mean, I'm still bullish, but it looks a lot less likely. So yeah, now that we changed on both indexes, or we did way back, I think I missed an entry for shorts right here. I don't necessarily think I would have taken this though. Nah, that was low-key an entry for shorts. What the fuck am I doing, dude? Obviously, I can't go back and take it now. Damn it. Because we inversed here. Oh my days. That was an A+ setup, bro. I'm an idiot. Gotta lock in, bro. What am I doing, bro? Clicking way too fast. The reason I thought NQ wouldn't have changed 5-minute order flow, but we inversed a 5-minute gap. We're kind of chop work on the higher time frame. Just took out London session highs, bearish SMT. I mean, we're in bearish on all the indexes essentially. Bearish on the 4-hour, bearish on the 1 hour. Right? Wait, are we bearish on NQ on the hourly? Yeah. Slipped out line. Yeah, this is short city, bro. I just gotta wait for the 5 minutes to align. Or maybe not. I mean, okay. Slipped out a 5-minute high. And then inverse the 1 minute on both. This is like kind of a tough position because we're so close to these lows. I want shorts, but we just came off of these lows and we didn't take them here, and we're not in 5-minute bearish on NQ, so cannot take it. Okay, dude. Okay, that's perfect. Oh my god, I'm so happy I didn't take that shit. Now we have high time frame highs to the upside here. Is this previous day high? I believe so. Do we have any news? No. Let's see, we're getting a pullback, so let's just inverse or break to the upside. Or not. See, we inverse back to the downside. Now it's looking more shorts if we can get a retrace, which we got a decent retrace. I'd like to see a little bit higher. Okay, are we gonna really change order flow back to the upside now? Still a decent retrace though. Okay, this 5-minute, if it gets inversed, bro, shit's gonna be the death of me. We inverted it. I believe, nope, we still held it. It's looking a lot less likely for shorts though. Filled a 5-minute, broke 5-minute structure here. I mean, targeting this internal high here looks good. We're so far away from the swing highs though, and ES just took the internal high. I mean, I'm not gonna take this again. I feel like this could play out though. One to 4 RR on their heads, bro. I told you boys. Like, I'm not gonna take that though. It's almost 11. Market was really indecisive between, are we gonna inverse, are we gonna not? You know. And then we already took the internal high on ES. Not a confidence session. I'm completely fine with fading that. So far, no trades have been taken. Should have taken a trade. That was an A+ setup. But I'm an idiot. So obviously we just took out a London session high. We look bullish. We don't have any real good draws on the higher time frame to the upside. We do have an unmitigated hourly here. It really depends if the 5 minute wants to change order flow on this leg, or it'll just be a retrace to go higher. So we broke on ES, swept out all these lows, filling the hourly gap, and then broke back to the upside. This could be long, but nah. The reason I said but nah is because ES was in strong bearish, and not strong bearish, but we just came off of a high. But if we break or inverse here on ES, okay. I mean, obviously market wants to go lower now, but we just took out all of our fucking draws, bro. Ah, this looks like shit. And now it's a choppy ass market. Took forever to deliver, good fade. This shit's gay. Literally no trades. This has been more of just watching market, dude. And it's low-key ass. We're in a little range here. Like, bro, why are we just pumping? Okay, if we can retrace, this is a swing high, very strong draw. I just need to see a pullback, because we never broke structure to the downside here. That's not a pullback that I'm willing to take. Come down, please. Oh my days. Fuck this market, bro. Genuinely fuck it, bro. It's so aggravating. Okay. New week, new headspace. Okay, let's go on the hourly. Hourly's in consolidation, no clear high time frame bias, but we are in a high time frame bullish with the swing highs to the upside with Asia session high there and a very strong 4-hour high, and then an hourly. Like, longs look great, but the high time frame trend isn't showing that. You know, we just broke 5 minute structure. We didn't break here. We got the pullback, but ES is still in bearish, you know. So again, the higher time frame, dude, like this, I really want to take longs here, but I just can't. Okay, we broke, and we're getting another pullback somehow. Broke structure, long that bitch, fuck it, on both. This should be an A+ setup. Actually, it is an A+ setup. this should bang, is how I should rephrase that. Just mark out the highs here. High, high, high. Okay. So clear high time frame buys, no, but the 5 minutes are aligned. We're rejecting out of an hourly gap. Beautiful. Liquidity sweep on high time frame, low time frame, or FEG fill / manipulation towards strong draw. I mean, we filled the hourly, broke 5 minute structure with very strong draws to the upside. 5 minute change or 5 minute high price in, yes. 5 minute retrace, 1 minute confirmation on both indexes. The only thing we're really missing here is the like manipulation of like a 5 minute low or something. However, just the fact that we broke hourly structure out of a 5 minute gap looks great. First TP hit. Second TP. Let's continue higher, please. Okay. A setup there. Never got the lower time frame manipulation, but filled an hourly gap. 5 stars, confidence high. Ugh, that month is disgusting. I gotta pee so bad, boys. I'll be back. I'm gonna add something to my checklist. While I was pissing, I always have these thoughts. So, liquidity sweep on high time frame, low time frame, or FEG / manipulation towards a strong draw, and then add in recently in all caps, because these trades I take, I get that check mark, but it happened a long ass time ago. Let's see where market actually wanted to go. We have a huge bullish SMT forming. I'm gonna mark out a fake long if we break here. We inverse the fiber. Long it right there. Told you, boys. I fucking told you. But I already secured profits on the day, so. It's just CPI, I'm not even gonna fucking bother. Just see if we deliver lower. We did. Let's see if there's an entry within here. I mean, right here potentially. Would be down to here. And it wouldn't have played out. But I also could have targeted like data lows and then took profits there. This should be PPI, I believe, or Thursday's PPI. CPI lands on some like random ass days. It's never a Monday, it's sometimes a Friday, sometimes CPI comes first. CPI is usually on a Wednesday and PPI is usually on a Thursday. What time is it? 12:36. Okay. So, of course we're at all-time highs, dude. Just of course. Let's come down, please. Like, let's just, like, take out all of these low resistance lows. Usually all-time highs we just fucking pump. Oh. 955 is a dumper candle. This looks like a great short. Well, actually no, it's such a horrible RR, and it's not that great, but if we want to rotate higher here after taking out all these lows, fine by me. We just have to break 5-minute structure. Like, I'm not shorting against this trend, dude. There's no way in hell. Like, yeah, there's no way in hell I'm shorting against that trend. Fuck that shit. I'm literally taking one trade this entire month. And it hasn't even been a 1-to-1. Oh my gosh, dude. And it should have been 2 trades. Like, I feel like I'm being too cautious in a way. But then again, I need to know when to stay out of it. Like, I need to learn when to stay out of the markets versus when to be like, okay, this will play out. Super imbalanced price range. We'll just flood through that from PPI. Like, I could hammer this, but, like, I kind of want a deeper pullback, dude. Nah, fuck it. It follows the checklist. I'm just not as confident in it than I could be. No, I think yeah, we already took that there, but following the strong trend, we broke structure to the downside, broke. Stops could be at this low. And we finally broke on ES. We have data high. And all these other highs above. Piss poor RR, but wait. Clear high time frame bias. 4 hours bullish coming off of a sweep. 5 minutes are aligned. Liquidity sweep on high time frame, low time frame, or FEG fill / manipulation towards. Fuck. Why do I click enter if we don't have all the confirmations? Like, no, we didn't get that at all. We didn't get that at all. I'm closing this shit. It doesn't follow the checklist. And on top of it doesn't follow the checklist, I would have gotten break even because I would have taken it for a 1-to-1.4. I wouldn't have traded at data highs. I wonder. Yeah. Okay, I mean, ugh. I wonder if I really needed that check mark. It was what? Okay, why isn't it loading? Yeah, of course I'm on Monday now. Thanks. I hate this fucking app, dude. Thanks for going back too, by the way. Oh my god. FX, like, I have a lot of complaints, bro. Genuinely, dude. Fucking. It's straight PMO, dude. Straight PMO. Straight PMO. Oh my, can you go back, you fucking naughty bitch? I hate this shit so much, dude. Boys, buy TradeZella. How much is TradeZella, dude? I might just switch, because fuck you, FX Replay. And you don't even give out sponsorships. Never seen you sponsor anyone. Probably because your shit's so ass, you can't even get sponsors, dude. There we go. Oh, it randomly wants to work now. Sweet. Are you fucking joking? Let's just see if there's an entry. Well, it just looks like a straight dumper, dude, and it's 9:55. I mean, we do have a swing low here. Oh, you fucking bitch, dude. Turn my fucking shit back on, bro. Like, how does it just... No! Oh my god, we took the low anyway. I don't even know if you guys can see. From Japan. The other one's not. I don't know, boys. The mic's still working, camera's not. I'll see you boys in the next one. Thanks for fucking watching. Peace.